boy, that's Brando. I went to that purple and black. No, this not a regular route. Don't turn up the channel, no Brando. Keep vids like some ammo, they barely prepare. Took that challenger right off the ice, hold straight to the 1 to 100K, so got a share. And every time you hear Lamar, you know Brando just out the vid. We go Brando from her. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this. So that's Brando done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a pro? My bro driving it cool like a stick. Oh, that's Brando the littest, YouTuber living.
I would never crash out about no bitch, cause I'm too dream. Here goes fashion, stream chef, hit the switch with the blue flame. Thinking like I got 2 brains, 16 shots when I shoot aim. My hoes look like Mary Jane girls, and they treat me like Big James. When I kick game like Taiwan. Posted up in the skyline with the fire on. Broke hands, but you die on, what you crying on? I ain't trying to hear your side note, shut your pie on. So much people make a slideshow. How many niggas ask me for a beat? Sounding like me, but they ain't ask for the feet. Showing me love, but kept it discreet. You niggas is weak. Look at my feet, this shit ain't cheap.
That boy cheesy, boy. That boy cheesy.
Right, and God has shown a lot of signs. He has shown me a whole lot of dark sides. But I was broke before. Fucking with slugs and working with cold sores. My fingers are so sore. Counting out, trying to balance life. Diamonds in the Jesus name. All I come is out of ice. Heard you got a bad quality of life. Fell in love with your wife. I just needed one night. You would never see me bring a knife to a gunfight. Cause my guns work. 550 just for one shirt. This is CDG. You want BBC. My OG. Never did a shit. Double Mickey D's. But we're selling grease. Felonies on felonies. When we lock key. It's felonies. Rocks on paper bags. Every time I fall off. I just felonies. Aims in. Aims in. All I know is ends. I feel like it's felonies. I just made my bitch mad cause I look good.
Bro, what you think, bro?
Bro,
Nah, damn, what a light. Hold on, we gotta get right there. There you go. What you think, bro?
crazy entrance.
Crazy entrance. 1 through 10.
I give him a 7.
7. What you give him, bro?
8.5.
8.5. I give him a good 8.5. Bro did good. And the car looked immaculate. The car looked immaculate.
Car gave him an 8.
Yeah, car gave him an 8 for sure. He kind of fucked up. He had to get right though, but we straight.
What's going on?
Oh shit. too. No smoke on here, no noise. That's certified.
I ain't even say that was certified. Hey, toss keys, twin. Just toss the keys.
Niggas that toss the keys. Angel bought that bitch off the lot too.
Okay. There you go.
love to hear it. That's what we're here today, folks. We're waiting for the folks to slide out here today on this good Saturday afternoon. It was talking about something earlier, but we waiting on him. Y'all, I would comment and say what type of car this is, but I do not know. Actually, we got two people in the vehicle. All right, let's see what they're talking about. And that, folks, is not how you slide. And yeah, I hope we have a better demonstration. I highly doubt it. Back to what the hell is going on? Y'all, it was going so good. It's time for the next car meet. And
That's all in there. These niggas crashing out here, twin. Hey, go park that shit. Look at the back bumper. Hey, go park that bullshit.
Avenger, it be too loud with that engine. New mochas 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it, them trenches.